Well then,
No, but she was.
just the rides. Maybe if I get in an accident and don't die.
Oh.
Whew, you are dirty. Hello. Radiohead. Ooh. What if I make a cool transition with some Radiohead? Radiohead? Well, I've got the radio, but I'm all out. Let's get this show on the road. Now that we're done with the gym, kind of in the mood for some panda. So that's what we're gonna go get. We got the panda. Now, I was contemplating whether I should eat the panda here or eat it at home. And well, since I didn't get a drink, looks like we're eating it at home. So to run quickly through my order, I just got a plate because, well, I'm hungry, but there's probably something at home. But I got chow mein with Beijing beef. I love getting Beijing beef. And teriyaki grilled chicken because I want to feel like I ate something healthy. Because I'm a little fat sometimes. Let's close this up, figure out how am I going to put this in my backpack. So step 1, I'm going to open my backpack. Step 2, put it in my backpack. And pay close attention. Step 3, I'm going to close my backpack. Okay, I'm so glad we were able to figure that out together. Okay. Look at I'm getting my calluses back. Lovely days. And it's this nice car right there. What kind of car is that? I've never seen that car. Doggy! Oh, doggy! Go that way. And I'm probably going to go that way. Yo! What's up, everybody? He's had a